The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern White County in southeastern Illinois, south central Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, Posey County in southwestern Indiana, Pike County in southwestern Indiana, until 9:30 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. At 8:33 p.m. or 9:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lancaster to near New Harmony to 8 miles west of Mount Vernon, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Evansville, Princeton, Mount Carmel, Mount Vernon, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Fort Branch, Oakland City, Petersburg, Melody Hill, Hobstadt, Darmstadt, Owensville, Porceville, Linville, Winslow, New Harmony, Patoka, and Cynthiana. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 50. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 3 and 54. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in